My mum always says that if it wasn't for me, she doesn't know where she'd be, but I think it's the opposite that's just as true. She's my mum, she cares for me, and I care for her. What else is there to say? It's the bigger responsibilities where I sometimes feel a bit different to other people. I know my friends and stuff, but they're always really understanding and often help me out. They'll come down and hang out at my place because they understand I need to be there for my mum and younger brothers and my sister. My friends care for me, my family care for me, and I care back for them. Sometimes it can be a bit of a struggle to find the time to go out and be normal, whatever that means. Just go out with my friends or have some time for myself. But that's my job. After all, everyone is a carer, aren't they? Everyone cares, or should care, I think. But like I said, it's sometimes the bigger things, the bigger responsibilities that perhaps make my experience a bit different. As well as mum, my brothers and my sister, I also go down and visit my nan and Bambi. And my Bambi's not very well, so I take my nan out shopping and stuff, but that's because they care for me, so I care back. Sometimes it's not the easiest thing in the world. It's difficult, especially like recently when we have had to move house so that it's easier for my mum and my brothers and sister, but that's all part of it as well, I think. Doesn't everyone care in their own way? Why don't you ask yourself first what a carer is and what they do? Yes, I may care for my family, but they care for me too. No matter who or how you ask what a carer is, no one will be able to give you a simple or an easy answer. So if you were to ask me what a carer is, I would say something along the lines of, a carer is someone who takes on more of the responsibility in the house, who often helps more and so on. But that's just me.